What's that?
You see all these people out here on these dirt bikes? They mad different. They got the best bikes, the best tricks, the best riders.
So that's who you want to be down with then? The Midnight Clique?
I ain't say that.
You don't have to say it out loud. You say it with your eyes.
It's Blacks. I thought he was locked up though.
Who's Blacks?
You know Michael Jordan?
Duh.
Well, in West Baltimore, Blacks is that nigga.
What's up, young man?
First Sunday of the summer, folks, y'all know the drill. Shut it down.
Put on tight.
Yo, what up? You good? Man, fuck that chopper. This my favorite part.
Sure.